Hello wine people, this is video number 12. I'm going to be answering and explaining 45 multiple choice questions for Bordeaux. In the previous video I said that we're going to be talking about introduction to France, but there's no need because in video number 11 I already answered everything regarding introduction to France. This video is part of our Thirsty and Wise study and support program for WSET Level 3 in Wines course preparation. So if you're studying for and preparing for your Level 3 in Wines course and exam, I would love to help. The details of our study and support program and our contact details are below. I would love to help. This video, these 45 multiple choice questions are part of the learning outcome number 2 because we're now focusing on specific countries and regions, and from which you're going to have 28 potential questions out of 50 for your multiple choice part of the theory exam. Question number 1, what type of climate does Bordeaux have? Continental, Mediterranean, maritime, moderate maritime, hot desert. The correct answer is C, moderate maritime. What is a key benefit of Gulf Stream for Bordeaux's climate? It reduces rainfall during harvest, it extends the growing season and prevents spring frost. It lowers vineyard temperatures, it increases likelihood of noble rot. What is the key benefit of Gulf Stream for Bordeaux's climate? This is a tricky one. This one, no. It extends the growing season and prevents spring frost. Yes, I would say B. It lowers vineyard temperatures. No. It increases likelihood of noble rot. I mean, D is possible, but the key benefit, it extends the growing season and prevents spring frost. So B. What natural feature protects Bordeaux vineyards from Atlantic storms? The Garonne River, the Landes forest and coastal sand dunes, the Dordogne River, the Gironde estuary. The correct answer is B, the Landes forest and coastal sand dunes. Why is vintage variation significant in Bordeaux? Producers use only one grape variety. Rainfall can disrupt flowering and dilute grape flavors. Bordeaux wines are always unoaked. The region lacks natural protection from the frost. The correct answer is B. Rainfall can disrupt flowering and dilute grape flavors. Basically, the weather in Bordeaux is very unpredictable, and because the wines are, especially because the wines are super expensive, this is a very important subject. Why are most Bordeaux wines blends of different grape varieties? To reduce production costs, to mitigate risk from weather variability, to comply with international wine regulations, to increase alcohol level. The correct answer is B, to mitigate risk from weather variability. So in Bordeaux, because they have Bordeaux wines are always mix of different blend of different grape varieties, they can mitigate the issues that may arise due to vintage variations. Which black grape variety dominates in Haut-Médoc? Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Petit Verdot. Correct answer is B, Cabernet Sauvignon. Which grape variety is most widely planted in Bordeaux? Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, Petit Verdot. Correct answer is B, Merlot. What is the primary role of Petit Verdot in Bordeaux blends? Adds acidity and floral notes, provides deep color tannins and spicy notes, increases sugar levels, reduces alcohol content. The correct answer is B, provides deep color, tannins and spicy notes. Which white variety is essential for Bordeaux's sweet wines? Chardonnay, Semillon, Muscadel, Chenin Blanc. Correct answer is B, Semillon. Which characteristic does Sauvignon Blanc contribute to Bordeaux blends? Tannins and body, high acidity and green fruit flavors, sweetness and floral notes, low acidity and tropical fruit flavors. Correct answer is B, high acidity and green fruit flavors. What is the significance of noble rot in Bordeaux sweet wines? It reduces acidity, it concentrates sugars and develops unique aromas, it enhances tannin structure, it increases alcohol content. The correct answer is B. It concentrates sugars and develops unique aromas. Which Bordeaux appellation is known for its high concentration of Cabernet Sauvignon? Pomerol, Haut-Médoc, Entre-deux-Mers, Côte de Bordeaux. Correct answer is B, Haut-Médoc. What distinguishes Pomerol wines from those of Saint-Emilion? Higher Cabernet Sauvignon content, richer, spicier blackberry fruit character, lower alcohol levels, primary white wine production. Correct answer is B, richer, spicier, blackberry fruit character. Honestly, I mean, Pomerol is considered it's a smaller region than Saint-Emilion, and it's considered a more premium region. But of course, there can be also great or better wines than Pomerol wines in Saint-Emilion. What style of wine is Bordeaux appellation of Entre-deux-Mers known for? Premium red wines, sweet wines, dry white wines, sparkling wines. The correct answer is C, dry white wines. What feature is common among the best wines of Sauternes? High alcohol and low acidity, apricot and citrus peel with balanced acidity, tannin and cedar notes, dominance of Merlot in the blend. The correct answer is B, apricot and citrus peel aromas with balanced acidity. What feature is common amongst them? This was not the best question and best answer, but yeah, citrus, apricot, balanced acidity. But the most important is the sweetness and the specific aromas of noble rot like marmalade. What distinguishes Bordeaux Supérieur from basic Bordeaux wines? So Bordeaux Supérieur, only made with Sauvignon Blanc, stricter appellation rules and higher alcohol levels, use of unique fermentation techniques, exclusive to left bank. Correct answer is B, stricter rules and higher alcohol levels. Usually what's the difference between two wines? Bordeaux Supérieur requires higher alcohol levels. Stricter rules, regulations, not really, just higher alcohol level requirement. Which Bordeaux appellation is most associated with premium dry whites? Grave, Pessac Léognan, Sauternes, Médoc. The correct answer is B, Pessac Léognan. What does the term vins de garage refer to in Bordeaux? Wines made in large quantities for export, full body, small production, wines made with no expense spared, wines blended across multiple appellations, wines matured exclusively in stainless steel. The correct answer is B, full-bodied, small production wines with no expense spared. These are called vins de garage or garage wines, small production, premium quality. Which grape is dominant in wines from the right bank of Bordeaux? Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Petit Verdot, Semillon. Correct answer is B, Merlot. What characteristic is typical of wines from left bank of Bordeaux? High acidity and herbal notes, full body with high tannins and black currant flavors, low tannins with red berry aromas, predominance of clay soils. The correct answer is B, full body with high tannin and black currant flavors. What are the main soils found in Médoc and Grave regions? Clay and loam, gravelly soil that drain well, sandy soil with low fertility, limestone and schist. The correct answer is B, gravel soil that have good drainage capability. Which appellation within Bordeaux produces wines with high Cabernet Sauvignon content and long aging potential? Pomerol, Saint-Emilion, Haut-Médoc, Entre-deux-Mers. The correct answer is C, Haut-Médoc. What distinguishes Claret from Bordeaux Rosé? It undergoes longer maceration and is deeper in color. It is made exclusively from white grapes. It has higher acidity and alcohol levels. It is produced only in Médoc region. The correct answer is A. It undergoes longer maceration and is deeper in color. What is a defining characteristic of Saint-Emilion wines? Predominantly Cabernet Sauvignon with high tannins, medium to high tannins with red berry and plum aromas, crisp acidity with citrus and grassy notes, made exclusively with noble rot grapes. The correct answer is B, medium to high tannins because of the Merlot dominance, with red berry and plum aromas. Why do producers in Barsac have two labeling options for their wines? The region produces both sparkling and still wines. Barsac wines can be labeled as Barsac or Sauternes. Barsac wines qualify for PGI and PDO labeling. The area produces both red and white wines. The correct answer is B. Barsac wines have the option to be labeled as Barsac or Sauternes. What is the role of muscadel in Bordeaux blends? It adds body and tannins, provides exotic floral aromas, contributes acidity and grain fruit flavors, enhances tannin structure for aging. This is the third white grape variety for white Bordeaux, so it adds exotic floral aromas. What are cru classes in Bordeaux? Wines that have passed strict vintage-based classification tests, estates ranked based on a historical classification system, blended wines from multiple appellations, wines that meet the PGI quality standard. The correct answer is B, estate ranked on a historical classification level. So Bordeaux 80-55 classification. What is the primary style of wines produced in Côte de Bordeaux group? Full body reds dominated by Cabernet Sauvignon, early drinking Merlot-based wines, crisp unoaked white wines, sparkling wines with high acidity. The correct answer is B, early drinking Merlot-based wines. So these are more approachable Merlot-dominated red wines in Bordeaux. What distinguishes Entre-deux-Mers wines from the other Bordeaux appellation? They are exclusively red wines. They can only produce white wines. They are made with single varietal blends. They are aged for at least 5 years in oak. The correct answer is B. They can only produce white wines under Entre-deux-Mers appellation. If red wines are produced in Entre-deux-Mers, it needs to be classified as a Bordeaux appellation, so just basic Bordeaux. Which appellation are included in Côte de Bordeaux group? Pomerol, Saint-Emilion, Castillon, Cadillac, Bly, and Francs, Sauternes and Barsac, Medoc, and Haut-Medoc. Correct answer is B. So appellations of Castillon, Cadillac, Bly, and Franc are part of the Côte de Bordeaux appellation. What is the main purpose of gravel soil in Bordeaux vineyards? To retain water and prevent drought, to enhance acidity in the grapes, to improve drainage and reflect heat for ripening, to provide nutrients for high yields. The correct answer is C, to improve drainage and reflect heat for ripening. What is a hallmark feature of wines from Margaux? Light-bodied with floral notes, elegant, fragrant wines with long aging potential, high tannin and dark fruit aromas, crisp acidity, and herbal flavors. The correct answer is B, elegant, fragrant wines with long aging potential. Which wine classification system is integrated into the appellation system in Bordeaux? So for this, you need to understand the difference between appellation system and a classification system. So appellation is part of the appellation, so where the grapes grow and how wines are produced, where the classification system is more like a economical marketing kind of quality hierarchy. 80-55 classification, the Graves classification, Saint-Emilion Grand Cru classification, the Sauternes system. The correct answer is Saint-Emilion Grand Cru classification. So the Saint-Emilion Grand Cru is actually an appellation system, not a classification system. What is the key characteristic of wines from right bank in Bordeaux? Dominated by Merlot with softer tannins, high acidity with grassy flavors, primarily Cabernet Sauvignon with cedar notes, high sugar content for sweet wines. The correct answer is B. Correct answer is A. Dominated by Merlot with softer tannins. What is unique about production of sweet wines in Bordeaux? The use of only Sauvignon Blanc, harvesting botrytis affected grapes by hand, maturing wines in stainless steel tanks, limiting sugar content during fermentation. The correct answer is B, harvesting botrytis affected grapes by hand. What is unique about the production of Sorry, this question was repeated 2 times, so we're just going to continue. What is the primary role of Cabernet Franc in Bordeaux blends? Adds tannins and deep color, provides vibrant fruit and floral notes, contributes sweetness and body, enhances acidity and structure. This is a tricky one. I would say B. deep tannin, deep color, no. Sweetness, body, no. I mean, it would be B, provides vibrant fruit and floral notes. Actually, no. I would say A. This floral notes is more for white wines. I would say A, adds tannins and deep color. What is unique feature of 1855 Bordeaux classification? It ranks individual vineyards, it is limited to Bordeaux and Sauternes regions, it allows for frequent revision and updates, it includes wines from the entire Bordeaux region. The correct answer is B. It is limited to Medoc and Sauternes region. What does entre deux mers translate in English? Between the two vineyards, between two seas, above the mountains, near the riverbanks. The correct answer is B. Between the two seas. Which appellation produce the finest wines of Haut Medoc? Saint-Julien, Margaux, Pauillac, Saint-Estèphe, Sauternes, Pessac-Léognan, Barzac, Blaye, Cadillac, Castellion, Pomerol, and Saint-Emilion. The correct answer is A. Saint-Julien, Margaux, Pauillac, and Saint-Estèphe. What distinguishes Premier Côte de Bordeaux wines? They are made exclusively from Sauvignon Blanc. They are sweet wines unrelated to Côte de Bordeaux group. They are dry red wines from Pessac-Léognan. They are sparkling wines from the Entre deux Mers. The correct answer is B. They are sweet wines unrelated to Côte de Bordeaux appellation. So Côte de Bordeaux is for red wine production. Premier Côte de Bordeaux is for sweet wine production. What is a common aging method for premium Bordeaux wines? Stainless steel tanks, new oak barrels, clay amphora, concrete vats. Correct answer is B, new oak barrels. What is the role of Cabernet Sauvignon in left bank blends? Adds soft tannins and red fruit flavors, contributes structure, tannins, black fruit flavors, provide floral aroma and delicate body, increases acidity and herbal notes. Correct answer is B. It contributes structure, tannins, and black fruit flavors. What distinguishes Chateau d'Yquem among Bordeaux wines? It is the only red wine classified as Premier Grand Cru. It is the only sweet wine ranked as Premier Cru Superior. It produces the most affordable Bordeaux wine. It uses 100% muscadel in its blend. The correct answer is B. It is the only sweet wine ranked as Premier Cru Superior. Last question. What is the name of classification for wines of Medoc that are not part of the 1855 classification? Grand Cru Classé, Saint-Emilion Grand Cru Classé, Cru Bourgeois, Grand Vin. The correct answer is C, Cru Bourgeois. Wine people, thank you for watching this video. Let me know how many questions you got right. Let me know the questions that you have. The details for our Thirsty and Wise study and support program for level 3 in wines is below. I would love to help. I'll see you in the next video when we are going to be talking about Dordogne and Southwest France. Until then, stay thirsty and wise.